Okay, here we go, guys. Looking at Apple, 10-minute chart. Looking to try to get a short position, just on a market sell, 1,000 shares on margin. And what we're looking at, this thing's crashing. I missed getting in on this current candle, so it has 5 more minutes. So we're gonna go to the 2 minute and see. Oh, okay, here we go. I might have to switch that over to a quick 1,000 share buy here. If we can get a rebound off this 200. Okay, we still have a minute left on this candle. Well, we're definitely running to the downside, but if we get a good pullback, if they buy it up and there's a nice bottoming tail, I'm trying to see where one is. Well, like this one here, but or this one actually. If this one runs back up, we'll get into it for a buy to the upside. But it looks like, honestly, Apple and some of these others, matter about the whole market, if you look over in the right, everything's selling off. Just a couple of things. Gold here is getting a little bit of a pop, and then as I'm talking, this thing's running lower. We got about 30 seconds left here on this 2-minute candle. But let me see, it's about 50%. Trying to find about this eyeballing 50%. We run back up through it. I'll keep dropping it whenever. About 10 seconds left. We're going for the low to the high. If we come back over 50%, we'll get in it for a buy for a maybe a little oversold bounce here. Because nothing goes. Okay, here we go. We're in. 1,000 share long. See if we can't get a little push to the upside. And if this market is seriously selling off, then that'll be about all there is to it. So we'll see if we can get a ride back up at least to the 200 simple moving average. But we just don't want to take out the bottom of this candle here. So that's what we're looking for. And even if this candle doesn't run up like it is now, as long as we put in a low, higher low, keep going like that, we should be okay. Next, let's see here. As you see, they've been putting in a red, then a pause candle, then a red, then a green pause candle to the upside, then another red. Coming every other deal. Here we go. Okay, let's see if we can get to 317. Okay. Matter of fact, we'll just get out right there. 317.10 out. Oh, made the wrong decision. But looks like they're running it, putting in these pause candles and then dumping to the downside. Yeah, I should have stayed in there. But we had run pretty good, so I'm not that worried about it. Now let's see, since we closed over the 200 and over our previous bearish engulfing candle, let's see if this thing will continue up or if we're going to get a rollback. As long as we don't take out the low here, see, we made a low, higher low, and then we'll see where this one ends up. If you want to, hang around a minute, we still got a minute 30 on this candle. But as you can see, it just waterfalled over pretty hard. So we were just trying to catch saw that 200 there. And most times you'll get a little pullback, oversold bounce from an extended price range when it comes down to the 200. And as you remember, the first of the video, we were looking to go short and changed it based on this chart setup on the 2 minute, and got less than a minute left on this candle. So if we can close above the 200 and into the upper range of this bullish engulfing candle, which closed above the previous bearish engulfing, we might have another push to the upside. But on the other side of that, I got about 30 seconds left. We close, under the 200 and into the lower range of this bullish engulfing candle, then it'll probably roll over. So we'll see where we end up. About 15 more seconds. About 10 seconds. It's about, I don't know, it's about 50-50 right now, which is, yeah, if it was like right where it is or a little higher, then probabilities are we go to the upside, but we'll see. No, it gapped down. Okay, it gapped down right at our 200, so here we go. Okay, well, I'm not going to have you stick around and watch paint dry. So anyway, here we go. Yeah, it's just a real strong sell-off afternoon, it looks like. Okay, well, as always, thank you so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.